Conveyor for Bob's Red Mill. The system consists of a 10-foot intermittent motion bucket conveyor whereby operators will load the proper number of pouches into each bucket section. You can see we have a conveyor here that is filled with product. We have a sensor that detects that product is present for loading, and we have a sensor that detects that there is a carton in position for loading. So no carton load, no empty carton advance. And if there's no carton, there is no product. We have the guarding removed from the machine at this point, but the in-feed is completely guarded and interlocked, as well as the Spartan machine. And what will happen is the buckets will intermittently index, and when a bucket of product arrives at the load station, the overhead pusher will transport product into the erected and positioned carton. Corrugated cartons are brought down via vacuum with vacuum arms and erected. The back is closed off at the point in which it reaches the second or load station, and after the product is loaded, we go through a series of stations in which the flaps are closed, glue is extruded, and then cylinders compress and close the outside flaps for final closure. There is an operator control pendant that is remote and easy to operate. You have basically an intermittent continuous selector switch. When the machine is set in intermittent, by pressing the start button, it will act as a carton reset. When the machine is switched to continuous, the bucket conveyor, loader, and carter will work in the intermittent, the automatic mode. There is also another pendant that includes an on-off for vacuum for carton erecting, a jog to index the chain, a reset button to be pushed anytime you come out of an emergency stop condition, a keyed override for the guard, and a conveyor reset, again coming out of any emergency stop condition, and a red push emergency stop button. Under normal operating conditions, the reset button is out, the reset buttons are pushed, and the machine is switched to continuous for automatic operation. And switch it to continuous and just go. Okay, I'm going to turn it to continuous and we'll begin the operation. Okay, we have a limited amount of product, so we're going to, you can see it's nicely squarely glued. We're going to run another conveyor full. Hold one up, Greg. Okay. The conveyor will continue to index and search for product. We won't send an empty carton through the conveyor. When Greg fills a bucket section, when that arrives at the load station, the machine will automatically do its thing. The next one up for me. Beauty. Thank you. As I said, the conveyor will continue to search, and when product is present, it will then load and the carton will advance. Just give me one more in a bucket, Greg, and we'll call it quits.